everyone. Today's video is really exciting. I have another Tokyo Kawaii Club Disney mailer unboxing. I did one of these videos before, but Tokyo Kawaii Club is a really great company, and he sends out Disney Magic mailers, which are full of Disney merchandise and products from Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Sea. It's a monthly subscription, but you could also only do it just one time if you wanted to. It's $55 flat, and that includes shipping. There's also a free customization where you can tell him your favorite characters or your favorite attractions, and he'll try to buy merchandise that is specifically for what you want. I really love this service. I think his work is amazing. My boyfriend and I are huge Disney fanatics, and we love ordering Disney Magic mailers because they're just so much fun and you never know what you're going to get. For this specific mailer, we requested Peter Pan, Tangled, and some of the rides like Haunted Mansion. So we requested merchandise with all of those customizations. So I'm going to show you what we got. The Magic mailer comes like this, with this cute little emblem on the packaging. And the first thing that we pulled out that could barely fit in the Magic mailer was this plush Peter Pan Tsum Tsum. We actually collect vinyl Tsum Tsums. We have over 200 of them. So this is our first little plush Tsum Tsum, and they're only available in Japan as far as we can tell. And this one is so cute. We love Peter Pan. It's one of our faves. And we were really excited to pull him out because he's super cool. He includes bags from the resort, which I think is so cool. Duffy's Friends on the back, and then Minnie Mouse on the front. And then inside he usually has a smaller bag with some smaller items. So this one has Chip and Dale, and then Duffy and Friends on the back as well. So I'm going to show you what's in this bag first. One of the first things I pulled out was this little origami set. It has all the princesses and the princes, and you can make them into little hearts. And it's so cute. I actually already made one for Cinderella. That's my favorite princess. And it's so cute. It was really fun to make too. So these are really fun. I love these. These were my boyfriend's favorites, and I also really adore them. They are Haunted Mansion sticky notes. And it's in Japanese because it's the Haunted Mansion in Tokyo Disneyland, which we thought was so cool. So these are really special to us, and we're probably going to have a hard time using these because they're so cool. So he includes a map of one of their parks with every Magic mailer. This is the Tokyo Disneyland map, and it is so cool to look at these maps and compare them to our parks. We live in Florida, and we're annual pass holders at Walt Disney World, so it's really fun to compare everything that they have to what we have. We would definitely love to go to Tokyo Disneyland. That's like one of our musts. The next item we have here is actually really cool. I thought it was washi tape, but it's not. It's actually little tiny sticky notes on a roll similar to washi tape. So you peel it off, and it's like a whole big old sticky note. And they have a whole bunch of the Disney movies, like there's Tangled and Peter Pan and The Little Mermaid. I don't know what else is on here. Beauty and the Beast, I think it's just pretty much all of my favorite Disney movies in this little roll of post-it notes, which I just thought was so cool. And I can't wait to use these in my planner, actually. Really fun. So that was everything in the small little bag. Now I'm going to go over everything in the big old bag. Next thing I pulled out is this Tangled notebook. So it has Rapunzel on the front, and it says, "I wish to see the world." And then on the back it just says Rapunzel. This is a really cool grid paper notebook. It'll be great for memory keeping. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I really love it. It did take a little tiny bit of damage on the way over here, but it's nothing that I'm concerned about. I still am really in love with this. Also, with every Magic mailer, he writes a really nice note, but he always puts it on the coolest stationery. So this is some Alice in Wonderland little note paper, which is really cool, and I'm probably going to keep this and put it on my bulletin board. the last item that I have in this magic mailer are these little folders, and these are actually from the D23 Expo in Japan. These are folders that have Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, and Aladdin on them. So this one, just really cool, nice folders. I can use these for sticker organization or what have you, which, I mean, folders always come in handy. So this is the Little Mermaid one. Super cool. The Aladdin one. I love Aladdin. All three of these are like three of my favorite Disney movies, so it's like perfect. And then Beauty and the Beast. And they also have a little design on the back of them as well, which is always nice. So yeah, that was the last item for my Disney Magic Mailer. My boyfriend and I were, again, really impressed, super happy, and satisfied with everything we received. And we will definitely be purchasing from Tokyo Kawaii Club again, because, again, he just does really, really awesome things. So yeah, if you are a fan of all things Disney and cute, be sure to check out Tokyo Kawaii Club. You will not be disappointed. But yeah, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful day.